Can you reopen a Revolut account? Revolut, a popular digital banking platform, offers a range of financial services to individuals and businesses. While Revolut generally provides a user-friendly experience, there may be times when you decide to close your account. However, if you change your mind, it's possible to reopen it under certain circumstances. To reopen a closed Revolut account, you'll need to contact their customer support team. They will assess your situation and determine if reopening is feasible. Several factors may influence their decision, including the reason for the original closure, your account activity, and compliance with regulatory requirements. If your account was closed due to inactivity, Revolut may be more inclined to reopen it. However, if the closure was due to other reasons, such as a breach of terms of service or outstanding debts, reopening may be more challenging. Revolut must adhere to regulatory standards and may have specific criteria in place for reopening accounts. They may need to verify your identity and ensure that you are still eligible to use their services. The process of reopening a Revolut account can vary depending on individual circumstances. It's advisable to contact their customer support directly to inquire about the specific steps involved and the time frame for reopening. While Revolut generally strives to accommodate its customers, there may be instances where reopening a closed account is not possible. It's important to understand that the decision to reopen an account ultimately rests with Revolut. If you're considering reopening your Revolut account, it's recommended to reach out to their customer support team as soon as possible. They can provide you with the most accurate and up-to-date information regarding the process and potential requirements.